Welcome back to our channel Desi Virus. Today we are on staycation in Raddison Blue Hotel, and we are going to enjoy. We have a package of 1 night stay here.
And we are gonna swim in the pool.
We are going to go in the swimming pool. Yeah!
Yay!
And we got a very beautiful room. It's a deluxe room with double bed. We are going to swimming
There are
pool.
two sides. One for kids,
Yeah,
one
one for
adults.
kids, one for adults. And at that time we are going to make some short movies, and we are going to make underwater movie. Yay! Hi, this is kids swimming pool, and we are so excited or extracted.
Extracted.
We are excited,
I'm excited.
for kids swimming.
Amir
Come
is
on,
scared of
come
the...
on, swim from there and come back.
Okay. I don't
Amir, come here, come to
Amir
me.
is scared like he is like no, he's gonna drown. But good boy.
Yeah, come on, sit down. It's not too deep.
I'm sitting.
You're sitting?
Yes. I'm
Yeah.
sitting
See,
on this.
why Amir you are so scared of swimming pool?
In the last hotel, he was drowning.
No, that was deep. This is not deep. This is especially for kids. Amir, right? Yeah. Okay. So we are playing here. I will show you how kids they are playing.